Guys, it is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. I just received part 2 of my 100-pound reseller box. Full disclosure, I have a part 2 because part 1 was not everything that they said that it was going to be. So there's been some back and forth between the sellers. So I just received it and I'm going to do the unboxing with you guys today. So stay tuned. So much for joining. If you're new here, I am a reseller. I take items and I flip them on eBay and PoshMark for profit. I also have a degree in mathematics. I do data analytics on this channel and on my Instagram, teaching you how to look at your numbers to figure out what is working for you and source smarter and not harder. I have 3 dashboards that help you do that. They're a one-time purchase that you can purchase. The link for all of those are down below, and lots of videos on how to use them and how I use them in my reselling business. Side hustle to full-time resellers, they are good for anybody. Quick and easy way to look at your numbers. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you. We just went for a bike ride. We were reading some plants at my daughter's school. We got home and the box was sitting on my front porch. So here I am, helmet, hair, and everything, doing the video for you. So the video is, let me give you a little bit of backstory. I purchased a 100-pound reseller box privately from someone on Instagram. I had been recommended by someone else to this person, so I felt comfortable doing this. The more you buy, the better. So I purchased 100 pounds. I was told that they were barely worn. So I purchased a jean lot and I purchased a contemporary NWT tag lot, a women's clothing lot. I was told the jeans were barely worn. I was told everything was from a lady who was loaded, and I mean loaded. Those were direct quotes. And then as far as the jeans go, the NWT tags was MSRP $40 to $400. The jeans were new styles, Citizens of Humanity, standard, articles of society, and more. So I paid up for them. I paid $9 an item based off of what I was told. I typically try and stay around $5 an item. However, I will pay up if things are going to sell quickly or if things are going to sell higher. And I was led to believe that most of these items are going to sell a little bit higher. So I didn't mind that $9 item. However, I received the package. I did an unboxing, so if you haven't seen that yet, go ahead and watch that. I was 11 items short, and as I went through and did it, I looked at it again the next day and did a little bit more inventory tracking on it. 20% of the jeans were Target, Forever 21, and Zara, which are not in the same realm as the brands that I was told. They are significantly less. Like, you can get Target NWT tags on clearance for $9. I would not have paid $9 to resell Target, or Zara, or Forever 21. That's not, I was led to believe they were higher end brands. Target and Citizens of Humanity are not in the same realm if you're a reseller. The other thing was, I was told that they were hardly worn or barely worn. 20% of the items had stains on them or showed significant wear. And so 11 items, I don't remember if I mentioned this, but 11 items were missing that I was supposed to have purchased. So I sent them a DM, told them I was missing items, told them I was pretty unhappy. I felt like I was misled. I wouldn't have paid $9 an item for Target, no matter how new of a trend or how trendy it was. I wouldn't have paid that for Target, Zara, and Forever 21. So they said, okay, let me get you those 11 items that you're missing. I'll throw in a couple extra things to, make up for it. And I was like, okay, cool. A week went by and hadn't heard anything. So then I messaged them again and said, hey, I haven't received anything yet. And then they said that they were going to send something again. So now it's been 2 weeks. Since I received the first package, it has been 2 weeks, and I finally received, it's been 1 week and 6 days since I received that first package and said, hey, I'm missing my items, to receive the second package. I am not saying the person that I purchased it from. I don't want to put them on blast. They are a small business, and that's just not my principles. However, if you are interested in it, send me a DM on Instagram and we can talk a little bit about it, because if it's someone that you think you might be doing business with too and you want full disclosure for what you're doing, I am showing the box to you guys today. So I'm going to go through the box. They sent me, I was missing 11 items. They said they were going to make up for some of the other stuff as well. The pound that I received is 6 pounds. And I'm going to do the unboxing with you. So let me know if you think that it makes up for, well, first let me know if you watched my first unboxing, if you feel like it was a little misleading what they told me and what I received, and then if this makes up for it. So let's get started. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my God, this is really cute. Look at that. So this is new with tags, PE Nation. So I will count these all at the end. This is Missa. The other thing I want to note too on that first box, they didn't not say this, but I feel like they should disclose a lot of it was boutique brands. And if you're a reseller, boutique brands do not sell the same. People do not look for boutique brands. People are searching for Nike. They're searching for, you know, Coach and, you know, well-known brands. They're not really searching for boutique brands, so they definitely don't sell as well. I would not have paid $9 an item for boutique brands. This is a cute little top. It is Misa. So I don't know either one of these brands. I'm fairly new to reselling, so if you guys know anything about the stuff that I am showing you, definitely let me know. This is a pair of leggings. Oh, Spanx. I do know Spanx. I have not sold Spanx before, but I heard that they do sell well, and these do look like, yep, so these are new with tag Spanx. This is new with tags, Mink Pink. Let me know if this is cute. It's like a lightweight, flowy, maybe tunic dress. It's probably long enough to be a dress. This is, the other thing that I don't love about buying boxes like this is that you have to steam a lot of the items. This is James Press. So if you have ways for me, what's hard in, like, sometimes I'll throw stuff in the dryer, but if it's new with tags, you can't put it in the dryer. Someone in my last video did mention hanging things up in a steamed shower, so I may try that. I haven't listed any of my other stuff yet. I wanted to wait and see what I got. This is Rami Brook. MSRP $395, so I mean, that's nice. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Oh, okay, there we go. It looks like it's a little dress. It feels really nice, maybe silk. This is a Nike skirt, new with tags. What do you guys think? Are they making up for it or not? I still have more boxes to go. Leave a note down below. Let me know what you think. This is kind of the... I've never done a reseller box before. And this is kind of why, because I get nervous. You don't know what you're getting. This is Coral. Also new with tags. Activewear. This is really cute. Ooh, that's cute. If it wasn't new with tags, I'd probably keep it. This has this on it, which is not a tag, but this is Karen Kane. So far I've heard of Nike. I am not, my channel is not about learning brands. If that's what you're about, go watch someone else's channel. I am not the best with brands. I am still learning as I go too. I look at my data to figure out what is working. This looks like a boutique, just because of the way that the style is on the back, or the tag is, but it's really cute. Looks kind of like Free People-ish, right? So I'm about halfway done with the box. I'm going to count all of these items when I'm done. They owe me 11 items, and then they said they'd throw in a couple more. This is Black Label, MSRP $193, new with tags. Not super excited for white. If you watched my other video, there was a lot of white in there. I was not excited to have to photograph all of the white. This is for Love and Lemons. Oh, one I know. This is a nice brand. New with tags. Really cute. That's cute. Tell me that's not cute. This is Lucia, new with tags. I'm led to believe this might be a boutique brand too, just because of the way that the label looks, but I'm not sure. Lucia. It is really cute though. It looks like it's like a dress, like kind of a backless. Kind of has that hippie boho, you know, Free People anthro style to it. So I will say the stuff that they sent is definitely new, trendy. That was definitely true. This is MSRP $139. It is I think it's a romper. Yes, it is a romper. That's cute, like a Hawaiian print. This is Free People, NWT tags, MSRP a 108. Ooh, that is cute. I love Free People has a lot of stuff that's backless. Oh my god, that is so cute. I would keep that. What size is it? It's a small. That's not my size. That is cute. I love open back stuff. Really cute. Dry fit, a white, like a tennis dress, but it has like these little open slits on the side. NWT tags, MSRP $100. I will say, if you're interested in purchasing any of this directly from me before I list it, definitely send me a DM. We can work that out. This is Free People again, NWT tags, 128. That's cute, a little boho dress. This is like very interesting fabric. It's kind of heavy. It's like a wickerish fabric. It is a dress. It's super cute. NWT tags. I'm not sure if you guys know that brand. It's very heavy. It is like super sleek and sexy, and it has this full back zipper. Holy smokes, that is like super sexy. Let's see. It doesn't have a, it is NWT tags, but it doesn't have the original price on it. Size large. 2 more items, and then I will count them up and see how many were left. Lovers and Friends, NWT tags. That is backless, or like an open back. I love an open back. And then this is the last pair of jeans, NWT tags, the Great, Emily Current, and skinny, MSRP $265. They're like skinny cords. So let me count these up. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. Did this make up for what I was missing in my other one, and the 20% that were stained and kind of misleading me in sending Target when I thought I was getting Citizens of Humanity standard and such? So let me count them up real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, bear with me. So we're at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So they sent me 8 items more than I purchased, which is not, so if you're thinking, let's say, I was supposed to get 119 items and 20% of those were damaged. That's about 9 items that were damaged. 20% of those were items that I wasn't expecting. So that's between 9 and 20 items that weren't really what I thought that I was getting. And they sent me, what did I say? There was 19 and I was missing 11. So they sent me 8 more. So I'm still down a little bit. However, that does make my, let me redo my cost of goods now. So I would have 119 items plus the 8 more that they sent. 127. So that made my cost of goods go down by about $1. Still not loving that. I'm gonna have to look up some of these brands. If you guys want to send me, leave a comment down below. Not send me, I'm on YouTube now. Leave a comment down below on what you guys think about this box. Did it make up for that 100-pound box that I received before? Do you think these brands and sending the couple extra items made up for sending me Target, Zara, Forever 21, and having 20% of the items be worn and stained? So let me know what you guys think down below. What do you guys think of this? And any of the brands that you know, what you know about them, leave a comment. I'm not on Instagram, but leave a comment down below if you guys know any of the brands and what you think of this box. Have a good day.